Somewhere in a mountain temple, a monk is holding one position for 20 minutes straight. No weights, no machines, just his own body and pure will. That's how Shaolin monks build strength that outlasts anything you'll find in a gym. Most of us think we need more equipment, more time, more fancy routines. But the monks figured out something simple hundreds of years ago. Your body is enough. Stick with me today, and you'll learn 3 Shaolin exercises that build powerful arms, unshakable legs, and a mind that doesn't quit. No shortcuts, no gimmicks, just training that survived the test of time. Clear a little space, take a breath. Let's start with a move Shaolin monks have used for generations to build serious upper body power, the handstand push-up. Imagine this, a monk upside down against a temple wall, pushing his whole body weight up and down like it's nothing. No machines, no spotter, just years of discipline and total control over his own body. That's not showing off, that's real strength training, refined over centuries. Here's how you do it. Find an open wall, kick up into a handstand with your back facing the wall for support. Your hands should be shoulder width apart, fingers spread wide for balance, like roots gripping the floor. Now slowly lower your head toward the ground. Keep it controlled, no rushing. Then push back up, all the way to the top. That's 1 rep. Sounds simple, right? It's not. Your shoulders will shake. Your core will fight to keep you steady. And that's exactly the point. This move doesn't just build muscle. It builds control over your own body weight. The same way Shaolin monks trained before modern gyms even existed. If you're just starting out, don't worry. Going fully upside down isn't where you begin. Prop your feet up on a chair or a couch and do a pike push-up instead. Keep your hips high, head aimed toward the floor. The same muscles fire up, same shoulder strength gets built, just less pressure while you're learning control. As you get stronger, walk your feet up higher. Move closer to the wall. Little by little, you'll build toward that full handstand push-up. Just like the monks who spent years perfecting it. This single move does more than build strong shoulders, a tight core, and powerful arms. It teaches patience. It teaches focus. It teaches you to stay calm under pressure, upside down, off balance, and still in control. That's the real Shaolin lesson hiding inside this exercise. Start with just a few reps. Quality over quantity. Always. Feel that burn building in your shoulders? That's not just fatigue. That's real strength, being forged 1 slow rep at a time. Now that your upper body's fired up and your shoulders are burning, let's shift gears completely. It's time to slow down, root into the ground, and build power from the inside out. This next one looks like nothing's happening, but trust me, this is where real Shaolin power gets built. It's called Zhanzhuang. In English, it means standing like a post, or the standing pole. And that's exactly what it looks like. A monk, standing perfectly still, arms rounded out in front of him, like he's hugging an invisible tree. No movement, no reps, just stillness. But don't let that fool you. This is one of the hardest things you'll do in this entire video. Here's how it works. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees slightly, like you're about to sit into a low chair. Keep your back straight, chest relaxed, not puffed out. Now raise both arms in front of you, like you're wrapping them around a big barrel. Elbows slightly bent, shoulders down and loose, not tensed up towards your ears. Now here's the hard part. Hold it. Just hold it. Breathe slow. Stay still. Let your legs start to burn. Let your arms start to shake. And don't move. This is exactly how young Shaolin monks began their training. Before punches, before kicks, before flashy moves, they stood for minutes, sometimes for hours, building a kind of strength you can't get from lifting weights, a quiet, deep strength from the inside out. Start with just 1 minute. That's it. 1 minute of standing still, staying calm, breathing steady while your body screams to move. As you get stronger, add more time. 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Some monks train this stance for 20 minutes or more. What does it actually build? Endurance in your legs, strength in your tendons and joints, not just your muscles, and maybe more importantly, mental discipline. The ability to stay calm, stay still, and stay focused, even when your body wants to quit. That's the real secret of Shaolin training. It's not just about being strong. It's about controlling your mind while your body struggles. Master that, and everything else gets easier. Feel your legs shaking yet? Good. That means it's working. Now, let's take that same rooted strength and turn it into something even more powerful. This is it, the final exercise. And if you've ever seen a Shaolin monk demonstration, you've seen this stance. It's called Mabu, the horse stance. And it's the foundation of almost everything in Shaolin training. Why horse? Because you look like you're sitting on top of one. Low, wide, steady, not going anywhere. Here's how to get into it. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward, not out to the sides. Now bend your knees and drop your hips down, like you're sitting into an invisible chair. Keep your back straight, chest up. Don't lean forward. Your thighs should end up close to parallel with the ground. If that's too deep right now, that's okay. Go as low as you can control. Depth comes with time. Now, just like the last exercise, hold it. Arms can rest on your hips or reach out in front of you for an extra challenge. Breathe steady. Stay low. Stay still. Your legs will start burning fast. That's normal. That's the point. Shaolin monks train this stance for hours, sometimes literally standing in Mabu while balancing bowls of water on their arms or holding it while their masters test their patience. It's not just a leg exercise. It's a test of willpower, of mental toughness, of refusing to quit when your body is begging you to stand up. Start with just 30 seconds. That's a solid starting point. As you build strength, push toward 1 minute, then 2. Some advanced practitioners hold this stance for 5 minutes or more, completely still, completely focused. What are you building here? Powerful legs, a strong, stable core, and that same iron-willed mindset that's carried Shaolin training for generations. Not flashy, not fast, but effective. Feel that burn in your thighs? Good. That's real strength forming right now. And that's it. 3 exercises. No gym, no equipment, just your body, a little space, and the same training the Shaolin have trusted for centuries. The handstand push-up for raw upper body power, Zhanzhuang for deep internal strength and laser focus, and Mabu, the horse stance, for legs that refuse to quit and a mind that refuses to. Here's how to actually use this. Do these 3 exercises 3 to 4 times a week. Give your body a day to rest in between. That's it. That's the whole plan. No fancy split. No complicated schedule. Just show up, hold your ground, and let the training do the rest. Some days you'll feel strong. Other days your legs will shake after 30 seconds. And that's okay too. Every monk started exactly where you're starting right now. Here's the truth. Nobody tells you. Strength isn't built in one workout. It's built in the moments you want to quit and you don't. That's the real Shaolin secret. Not speed, not shortcuts, just simple training. Repeated again and again until it becomes who you are. So here's your challenge. Try these 3 exercises today, just once. See how your body responds. Then come back tomorrow and do it again. That's how monks were made, and that's how you'll build a stronger version of yourself too. 1 rep, 1 breath, 1 stance at a time.